Welcome back to As in the Heart, on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia 1 UHF Channel 57. We dey talk and say, if you dey watch us, share the love. Tell your loved ones, your friends and your family, say, make themselves tune their television because we're on top of terrestrial. Anywhere where you dey inside Obodo Lagos and for the environs, you feel they watch us. We dey talk and say, Monday to Friday from 10 to 11, don't turn Christmas. Sake of say, that program will give you the license to talk am the way anything be you for body. He go give you the right to talk am. Oga Igo all the way from Abuja don't talk your own. Oga Yusuf from Lekki don't talk your own. Now wetin we dey discuss na the Kogi and Bayelsa elections. Inconclusive. Now be the word wey dey reign for Nigerian political dictionary now. But we dey look all the cocoa when they inside the matter so that we go find solutions to the problems.
Yes, finding solutions to the problems. Oga Yusuf said something. He said we will get there. Yes, now everybody's wish to say yes, we will gradually, at least they see results, they gradually get there. But then, we could also ask ourselves, are there supposed to be things in place? What do you say they stir up election violence? What do you say they stir up say people they go snatch ballot boxes? What do you say they cause say okay I go die for this person even if you know win I go make sure say I fight for and kill myself on top of her. Now these are the questions we go ask ourselves. Though if ordinarily if youths all these things they use for all these things. You see them get job where they do chukudi. In the first place, they don't come and say they won't die for anything.
Very true.
Because these are things we need to also put in place. Let us define the problems, the major problems we do on ground. We go provide solution to this thing. If there are jobs for people, or probably then they give us a sense of assurance, say yes, okay, you have a reason to just say yes. You get such a way if they take leave. Nobody, no youth. No young able individual will look himself finish. We no say yes, in get future, in they see prospect for what they do. We no say we look himself, no say in get family and children. We look himself, they say in get a home where he come from. We can't say because of say this thing. Me I go kill myself on top of waiting, on top of election. We don't even know whether the candidate where they die for that go win eventually. So these are things. The fundamental problems should be identified first before we go say yes. Say we will get there. If these fundamental problems are not being identified and probably solutions not being profiled, how it is we will get there? That's the question.
Very important question where we need to ask, and we need to demand for answers from those when we say the matter concern. For this kind of case, whether you like them or not, the government when we say their primary responsibility now to ensure say they serve the interests of the people. Now then be number one people when go answer question for here. Number two, we get our security apparatus. These people there, now they're supposed to ensure say people they secure, people come out without fear of intimidation or harassment to come participate for the electoral process because they get the right to franchise and some people also get the right to suffrage. We will also talk about our political parties because one of the major responsibilities of the political parties not be just only to produce people when we say go there for inside office or for government, now also to educate, inform and enlighten the people so that the people go fit make informed choices when they reach to make the decision. And we also get the political class, that is the political elite, the people when we say that then they participate for the process. If you come out and say you want lead people and you encourage them to cause wahala, which kind of person you be? We go from Lekki all the way to Chicago for Obodo, USA. Collect this call from Oga Solomon. Oga Solomon, welcome to As in the Heart.
Good morning, Oga Solomon.
Anna Dena.
Today well, Oga Solomon.
Brother, the thing they make question the best in the sense that every single time when they do election for Nigeria, improvement no they instead of the same mass killing. I mean, man knows the word mass killing. People they die, poor men, and they kill every time. Sometimes people come they make me wonder. If I tell some of my friends, see this democracy, not only for every country. Nigeria is one country where nobody right for democracy. So if I look at now, it's not military. I'm not saying military government good, okay? But with Nigeria, we are used to a tough leader. Because we do all this, everybody they kill them. Next thing will happen again. Every state they get the same wahala. Okay, they want the election, no enough security personnel to save the lives of innocent people. They're encouraging now. And next time now they want the election, many people will come vote because they don't want to lose their lives. The political candidate, the two of them from both parties, they know this is now. If they stand on their feet say, hey, my guys, my boys, man, not do it because waiting they happen for Nigeria. The politicians they use political talk. Now they come for this kind of wahala. Not only they make a law for the constitution when they go say no use of political talk. All these things wey dey continue. That's why I see am.
Oga Solomon, thank you very much for this your important contribution. We like the passion when we say, even though you dey outside the shores of Nigeria, everything wey concern Nigeria, the thing dey sweet your belly and you dey chook mouth on top. Thank you very much. Encourage your friends when dey different parts of this world, make dem continue to dey watch as e dey hot so that they go dey abreast with all the things wey dey happen inside obodo Nigeria. Nkubi, make we come look one dangerous trend. I go use the word dangerous because na something wey we say dey fear. E get one thing wey don become normal now for our society. Before election, the major candidates go come sign peace pact. The only place for this world when they sign peace pact now for situation of crisis or war when you go call the warring parties make them come pen agreement to show say they go dey committed. Election no be fight, election no be war. When we say we wan come do election, instead of make we dey talk about debate, make dem come talk wetin dem go do.
Wetin dey avoid o.
We go come carry the 2 people or 3 people or 4 people wey we say we look say these ones e be like say e get power for this election to come sign agreement say wahala no go dey. For na you get the country, is it your personal estate, na company, na you dey run am. Why e be say some people because election we go dey use paper dey find them up and down to come sign say wahala no go happen, and at the end of the day we come get wahala. Sometimes make nobody vex o. Sometimes
Chukwudi, you dey talk what you dey talk. Ride on, I dey feel you. Ride on. No, ride on. I am feeling you. Ride on, please.
you are feeling me. Why you can't collect the talk like say you won't talk?
No, you talk to make people no vex. Me self, I mean, and the reaction they catch me. I mean,
no. Allow me to vex my vex. You vex your own vex.
No.
It's a personal vex.
You don't build up already. You don't build up. So
you sure say that verse no be Father Christmas verse join the verse when they build up, because if like this your own verse, the one that they look you now something dey your mind. Allow me to verse my own verse finish. Why we go get it?
Let this Father Christmas issue let it end, please. Let this Father Christmas tale make it end, I beg. And I believe say Ruben will also advise you. Good morning, Oga Ruben, calling us from Oworoshoki. Good morning, Ruben.
Good morning, Oga Okobi.
Yeah.
I dey enjoy your program.
Thank you
very much, Oga Ruben.
I beg you, this matter we talk about for here now. You see, say now all these politicians, where we say, anytime we election one day, now then we go release all these talks from police station. Because we come with they scatter all these polling units, they do nonsense for area. Now then they confirm all these people where they say they find political power. And then they go scatter everywhere. Just wait till it happen for Bayelsa now. Just see everything. Talks they all can't get power for this country. It's in the best me. I'm not sure if this country feel better if they don't be stubborn and nonsense.
Ruben, thank you. We know say you are in Nigeria and we also get passion for the country, and from the way they talk, we feel and we said they feel and say yes, it's something that affects you true. But then Chukwudi, Ruben said something. But we also bring an issue here. Okay, going by waiting our leaders they do. Okay, in the first place, if election they come up, we they expect the major candidates or perhaps the people who won't do it, who they vie for power to come out. Tell Nigerians say, see waiting and waiting we won't do. See waiting and waiting we fit afford to do. See waiting and waiting we don't say where they wrong in this particular government. See as we will take address them.
True.
So you're buying the minds of Nigerians in this case. You're trying to convince Nigerians, say, okay, see, okay, Nigeria will say, okay, see this person get this thing to offer. Okay, there's every tendency that his government might be better off than this one. I've seen government over time. I've seen government in some countries say, no, we say the person they in power no run the country well. But another person they come in probably get something with slightly different. We get a slightly better offer. Past waiting the person they in power. Because of that one, sincerely, because of that people go say, okay, this one you have done well, but let us also see this one. This one has something better off to offer to us. You understand? But waiting we come they see the issue of we using toggeries. The issue of like say if that election period just let them just open them from nowhere. They can't do it. They can't. They cause calamity. They cause biggie. They cause trouble different places. The point is, in the end, Chukwudi, I will still hold our political leaders responsible for end-to-way playouts for elections.
Irrespective of political party.
Irrespective of political party. Now, them I will still hold responsible. Because if when they talk, say now the populists, now them who they stir up the populists.
Exactly.
Who they try to say,
who the people they look up to.
Who they, of course, we should be looking up to them rather than them turning the table around, making it look as if na do or die affair. God say, I would die on top of this thing. If what you want die on top, now your resources, not be the resources of the state or the country. So which means indirectly, which means they try to tell us or try to say, some of these are leaders. It is becoming very, somehow someone say, the only interest where they find for political this thing, not just the interest of we get to do with their own pockets. The interest they get to do with say, okay, may I enter, may I just enrich myself and come out. Now, because no leader will really get the interest of the country, go on kill himself, or go on die on top of election matter. You understand? So we got Oga Michael. Oga Michael, they call us from Ejigbo. Good morning, Michael.
Oga Michael no gree connect.
No, you go connect.
Oga Michael, abeg, just try call us back. Every other person when they try call, abeg, reduce the volume of your television so that we go hear you and the full Nigeria go hear your own standpoint for this particular issue. Could be this matter no be say make we just talk, say we dey talk because of say na Kogi and Bayelsa. Like I been mentioned earlier, our eyes dey for Edo State, yes. Our eyes dey for Ondo State, our eyes dey for Anambra State.
Yes.
It dey very very important say from all of these, if person wey no know where they come from, no go know where they go. Time don't reach for us to look back because after the general elections of March and April, people beat their chest. Say for the first time, we don't get different leaders for INEC from Ephraim Akpata, Abel Gobadia, Professor Maurice Iwu. We can't get Professor Tayiru Jega. It can't be like say, he look where, go back, study all the things we don't do.
Mistakes from the past.
Make we do them like this. When Oga President be support, say okay, make we dey use PVCs, make we dey use card readers. People been talk and say, this thing if it be measured to do wuru. But we see systems for different elections. We can say, this thing if it work, we feel learn. And they always they use this thing as example for here. When we get election for Edo State, now the opposition na win. For Anambra State, opposition na win the election. That is not be party winning for center at the time. For Osun State, opposition. Ekiti State, the People's Democratic Party, when get government for the center at that time, now then win the election. For Ondo State, the same thing. So if we get situation when we say INEC go conduct free and fair elections on their own part, ensure say we don't get incompetence, even though some people go want to spoil the whole process. And we get security people when they ready say, okay, government don't give us the full backing and the support. All these bad people who won't cause problem, we don't go allow them cause them. Now we say we will get better society. If we get people too when we say, we know they hear, person go come and talk, say, hey, they no want to win this election. Oh, this election na our election. Make una come fight. And people, they come out, they fight. If at the end of the day, something happen, maybe they buy the person or they maim the person, that is, they give an injury when you go carry for life. The person when send you, go outside. The person when ginger you, go outside or go cause problem, waiting go happen. And why it be say young, able-bodied Nigerians, when suppose get work when they do, now them then they use. See the example where you give. For INEC Collation Center, INEC office for inside Bayelsa State, that was the 2 Hilux vehicles. When we say militants, in quote, escort, enter inside with ballot boxes and votes when they never count. How you take the possible say militants, in quote, go come talk, say, then go the local government, they can't carry this one, escape. Say bad people, they carry and escape. Now them be security people, now they're supposed to ensure, say, we get security for that setup. So many of these things call for us to begin to look this thing clearly and find solution. We get Oga Solomon again, in the call back from Chicago. Oga Solo, welcome for the second time.
Yeah, part two. Part two, I want to contribute. You know, what I actually say, because they take this thing like do or die affair, and because of the kind things when they involve. If they feel make law, because I remember sometime, was it last month or so, a bit 2 months ago, when they say, I don't forget the department, when they structure the salary of, politicians, this thing, as well as their benefit. Now, if all governors, they just say their salary may be 100,000, not in Nigeria, now I see a country when we say government, we'll see they get government house, they get, that kind of level. For abroad, governor, they stay for like regular
house,
where they pay house, regular house, Of course, you go get security. If they make all those things, they're attractive. Nobody go want, they run for governorship. The truth is, they don't even get sense. Right now, Nigeria, oil don't fall. And it continues, like CNN talk yesterday, the price of oil will continue to fall. So money not there to thief. So if the position is not attractive, they don't want to kill themselves now. How would I help see, man? The thing just tire me.
Oga Solomon, thank you very much for this, your second contribution where you take a wear cap on top of your first contribution. And it don't dey very, very glaring. Say, like he take the analogy when he take give. It be like say some people, they go look and say, government na endless account where be say they fit dip their hand inside, collect them. Now why many of them won't go there? If indeed we get system where we say now about service, if we get system where we say now about what you feel offer, not be what you go come collect. Now we say many of them go sit up and they go tighten their seat belt. We get Oga Adebayo in the call us all the way from Barcelona for Spain. Oga Adebayo, good morning.
Hi, Adebayo. Bless we don't lose them.
We don't lose.
Oga Adebayo, I beg you go try call us back because we go also want to hear your contribution. I believe say that the first time they call me is
exactly.
So I beg.
And it go good make we put them out there say our Nigerian brothers and sisters when we say una they watch us inside Obodo Nigeria or una they watch us outside Obodo Nigeria una fit contribute for this matter. We get our telephone line see there on top of the screen now and we also get toll-free line. Anyone when we say you want use follow to contribute for this matter, feel free to contribute them so that Nigerians go hear you and indeed your voice. Those when the matter concern go hear them and take the necessary action.
Yes, you could. We don't hear within them solo talk, and this relatively this same thing I waiting play out for Kogi State some few weeks back. Where we say the issue of inconclusive election now also play out. We can lead to one or two begay, and though in the process we don't say the major candidate of APC that is Oga Abubakar Audu in the process, but then the major take up is say. The way to go play out now we can they try decipher, they try look into. But before we go enter into that one, we could collect this call from Oga Usman. Oga Usman, they call us from Ajah. Good morning, Usman. Usman, good morning.
Yeah, Chukudi and Unkobi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Usman.
Would they hear you right on?
I won't put mouth for this Bayelsa election.
I bet took mouth.
But what I want to say, right now, it don't reach time where government go adjust our electoral law.
Okay.
For instance, you see these politicians, they are very scrupulous, greedy, and violent people. So it is time that we can refine our law to allow them step aside before election so that a neutral person can come and run the state and conduct election. For instance, not a politician. If the chief judge of the state can take over and can preside over the election, I believe there will be credibility. Take a look at Bayelsa State, for instance. The violence in the state, we know them that they have been very violent. The boys before now have come to drop gun and they say it's amnesty. Now politicians are buying guns and arming these boys back. Wallahi Talahi, very soon we'll go back to militancy.
Oga Usman, thank you very much for this contribution. And waiting you take use end na something when we say we for Nigeria we know they pray say make we go back because democracy na one when we say all of us get right to express ourselves. Oga Adebayo from Barcelona don't call back. Oga Adebayo, you there there?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning,
Oga Adebayo. Thank you.
Right now, they hear you.
I did hear, man. I did hear niggas.
Yes, so we hear you. Continue. Make your contribution.
I enjoy you guys' program, my guys.
Thank you very much, Oga Adebayo.
God bless you.
Thank you very much. Oga Adebayo, it be like say.
So, waiting. This is my first time calling.
Okay.
So what I want to say? So what you want? Hello.
We hear you.
So what I want to talk to say? So what I want to talk to Nigeria? All this election, what they do, say they do, but they don't know who will win the election. Because, for example, brother, which one we say? Because my brother, they follow this program a long time ago, Nigerian program, and they read the news. So about this man waiting for who will say the man, this and that, brother, if somebody die, opposition need to take over. That's so it is for the whole world. And brother, for year, for Europe year, when they don't do their own election, they will call the people, when they talk, when they express their feelings, what they want to do. But I know the same thing you want to do, so you go talk about it, you go do, and you must do that thing. You see, but our government, brother, I don't fire for them, brother, I just fire. They don't do anything. They give us problems for people who say ready for you with the vest. Because when we won't come back, no security with the fear. No fear.
Well, I just enjoy you guys' program, Wallahi, after the fight, I enjoy the program.
Thank you very
much for this, your important contribution, all the way from Barcelona for Spain. I beg, our Niger brothers who are there, even our African brothers, share the word, tell them that they watch Acid the Hot, so that all of us go they talk, they express ourselves to move this our country and Africa indeed forward, because Nigeria are the giant of Africa. Quickly, we go rush, enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back, we go continue our discussion as they get to do with the Kogi and the Bayelsa elections. All the Cocoa winners are not going anywhere. Now still, as welcome back to Acid the Hot. From where we stand now, we see the final bus stop. And we still discuss important issue where we say, for inside Obodo, Nigeria, everybody they chook mouth inside the Kogi and the Bayelsa elections, November 21st and December 5th, respectively. Make we dwell on Kogi small.
Because every time we come on this program, they always say final bus stop, final bus stop. You dey rude. Now studio you dey. Which kind of final bus stop you dey see? Just talk say very soon we go. This program don't they do it? We don't they reach the end. Which one be final bus stop, final bus stop? Every time final bus stop, you dey drive. I be they see you dey for commercial bus way. We say you dey see. There are times you are allowed to use on this program.
You get what they call literary expression. It dey very sad say when they do literature. Na geography you say you want to do. Even the geography where you do, na trek you carry am the trek. You know even not be say you even know map. Na trek you carry am the trek.
Chukudi.
You don't know latitude. You don't know longitude. Na trek you carry am the trek. You see yourself. I say we don't reach the final bus stop. Now why literature they very dynamic. Home economics now you do. You live. That's the problem. You leave social studies. Home economics.
What is wrong in what I've just said now?
Because you like say you do literature you for
no but na Batina talk
you go
no na Batina talk
you go secondary school
Batina talk
you go secondary school before 1974 that time they never revise the curriculum add literature you know what you do shorthand now you do the one when they go write like this carry this thing put for here now you do you see yourself I say we dey see the final bus stop you say every time bus stop you dey drive must you use garage must you use conductor must you use danfo as example why you no even talk say okay you dey say final bus stop why not full stop why e be say anything bus stop
hey.
na you start am
I
shebi you think say you get mouth
it has gotten to that climax I have taken enough of your yabbing enough of your insult enough of your talk enough of your everything
I talk am
you see say I don dey close my eyes my hand don dey shake on
oya let it go express yourself
Chukudi
please how many please
Please, just mind the way you address talk to me. Just mind the way.
Make we collect Wunmi from Alagomeji. Gum like that as you did like that. Gum like that. Make we no say you dey vex. Oluwakemi from Alagomeji. Gum make we no say you dey vex. Oluwakemi, you dey there?
Good morning.
Good morning, Oluwakemi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kemi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to talk to you. I've been trying you guys. I just have very little to say.
Okay.
I just believe that the corruption level is just too deep. Because I wonder why in a state, not even a whole country entirely, just a state, and there's so much uproar everywhere, why will militants be in charge of anything in the first place? Who are those giving them the power?
Mm-hmm.
Trust me, all those guys, they have people they are working for.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to check this at the grassroots. We need to educate people. We
Hey, Oluwakemi
Kemi.
Hi.
I beg. In fact, that's your voice the way you take address this matter. Hey, I felt I know some Nigerians the same mood. Wait, she's calling back. I beg, call back, Kemi, just call back, please. Nigerians are enjoying the voice. We got Gideon. Gideon, they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Gideon.
Good morning, sir.
Well, I beg, Gideon, where they call us from Lagos?
Okay, from Lekki.
Okay, right on, they hear you, Gideon.
Please, sir, I have a little to contribute.
Okay.
It's because of, I'm just, for some time, I've been listening to your program and I have this to contribute. I didn't want to say anything, but I was moved. I said, let me say something.
Okay, they hear you.
Because this country is wickedness. That is happening, wickedness. You know, we have evil leader.
Continue.
People need that is not want this country to move forward. And the second point is that we should spend money on security. You know, security is just like the other brother said that when these people that want to come and ring the election, when they are coming with social harm of rounds of gun, while our security is holding AK-47.
Yeah.
That is why we need to spend money on security. At least pay them, we take care of their welfare, so that any other illegal person can't come and bribe them. Yes. If they can do that, number one, I don't think that anything bad will happen. Because nobody can turn around to come and bribe them with money. By the time government invests on that security, make them okay. We will not have those problems because it's those our leader, they are the one using money. Doing this election, turning everything upside down.
Oga Gideon, thank you very much for this your important contribution. From Lekki, we go enter Calabar. Collect this call from Oga Oke. Oga Oke, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Hey, Oga Oke, we don't miss you.
I mean, miss you on a pass.
Chai.
But not be on a fault, not be my fault.
Exactly.
Because the bridge is too far.
Yes, so.
But the problem is I don't know the topic.
Oga Oke, we dey discuss Bayelsa election.
Okay.
You know, say INEC don't declare the election inconclusive because of what happened for Southern Ijaw. What do you think about this whole situation where we say, even still in 2015, we see the girl states where we say election they happen and people they fight. Now by force to day for government.
My brother, this thing not be by force now. Because if you continue like this, that change where they think they talk, we not go see them. We go find it difficult, like I always say. Now, small, monkey go turn to gorilla. They take things easily. They push. But what thing they see for this government, my brother, not be what me I expect. Tell me I will see. They see say, I've been thinking say, by now Nigeria for them get to that standard where we say they really everybody eyes there. But my brother, what me they see for Nigeria, they give me joy. They cry almost every day about Nigeria. The other day, I hear the person win election. The next news be say person don't die. What thing happen? Nobody give account of that one. Then see Bayelsa owner people they die like flies. My brothers, that's not the way.
Yes, so.
That's not the way. So I believe now my small contribution, I don't get much to contribute.
Yes, so in fact, that small contribution, that's why we see a small contribution. Not be small contribution at all, because Nigerians, when they hear you now, go also pick out one or two things.
And also pray, Nigeria don't go spoil.
Amen. So
God will lead us and make us be happy.
Amen.
Yes.
Thank you very much for your contribution and this your important prayer. We go carry better thank you, give all the people when we say that they watch us on top of Wazobia 1 UHF channel 57 and those when we say that they look us online. And we appreciate all those when carry their credit, call us, even though the thing no connect. We also appreciate those when we say call to contribute for this matter. Oga Igo from Abuja, Yusuf from Lekki, Solomon from Chicago, Ruben from Oronshoki. We also get Oga Michael, we get Oga Usman from Aja, Adebayo from Barcelona, Oluwakemi from Alagomeji, Gideon from Lekki, and Oga Oke from Calabar. Make una continue to watch City Hall because this program will belong to all of us for inside Obodo Nigeria. Irrespective of where we come from or the people who they support, Nigeria belong to all of us. Now our country, it no go spoil. Make we join our hand together to move this our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic where they come out plenty smoke to discuss am. Nkubi.
You know, say in fact, and just that Kemi voice, why here, and making just them.
When to be Kemi voice, tell me bye in the top Kemi voice.
The kind where I won't enter. Anyway, our viewers say tomorrow we will come again. My name now Nkubi, never say change.
You know even be like just that Kemi voice.
Kemi voice.
Like person when pepper soup don't enter in brain. Now Kemi voice.
The only one we call on this program.
Which one only woman we call? They shook eye up and down. You know be see woman when you come on for that Christmas.
If you just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.